For the installation of our inflatable tent, it won't require any special equipment for the tent to be installed. All the inflatable legs have already been connected with the central connection joint already. All you need is just an electric pump, which is included in our package already. You just have to inflate the legs on the side separately, and once all the legs are fully installed, the tent could stand alone firmly, without being wobbly even during windy days or any bad weather conditions. When you are going to install this tent in any outdoor event, you don't have to be worried about not being able to find a power socket to plug in the electric pump, since we do provide an electric generator to ensure you to have the power supply constantly. So this empowers our inflatable tent to be more portable and easy assembly by saving the hassle for cables and wires.